There is all thing in the potential. All thing becomes no thing. The continuum. You are witnessing this every day. You're witnessing it in space. The black hole. Entire galaxies. Galaxies. Things that are 900 million light years across. That's bigger than from here to Gary. Okay. All right. The black hole. Creating a moment now within a moment now. There are those that have gone before you, not in terms of time, but in terms of space. That space exists before this space exists. Space within space within space within space. Form within form within form within form. Ad infinitum. Okay. Not time, but space. When we took the Hubble telescope and we said, you see, between the stars there's a black spot out there. Let's put the telescope on that little tiny black spot. What did we find? Galaxies upon galaxies upon galaxies. Whoa. You mean what we were looking at was not the end of the universe? No, as far as the eye can see, there will be universe upon universe upon universe. Finally, we will turn our eyes inside and see universe upon universe upon universe upon universe. We will see infinity. We will see what it is to look upon the face of God, and that face is our own. You perceive small because you perceive yourself as small. You perceive of yourself as being a tiny little being on a tiny little planet, in a tiny little solar system, somewhere in a tiny little galaxy. No. All things exist within you. Now, you might say, explain it. I can't explain it. Okay? See for yourself. See for yourself beyond what you think you know. You're asking the questions about stuff out here. No. The questions have to be about stuff in here. And how to perceive that stuff. How to allow it to be. And some of the things that you're doing, when you allow, you see many things that you never saw before. Is that not right? It's all in the allowing. Free your feelings. And you say, well, I feel like I'm going to do this. No. Shh. You think like that. You don't feel like that. You think like that. Let the thought just go away. See, you have to escape the gravitational pull of the societal mind first to see what we can call the cosmic mind, the God mind, whatever all that is. To see yourself. Just see yourself. That's all. And we grow up. We grow up. First step in the process, we grow up. Then we become God. First step, grow up. Just when you're insecurity, when you feel that feeling, what do we want to do? We want to put that on something. No. That's not going to answer the question. That's going to make you create more problems. That's what it's going to do. And you will never understand what it means to be free. You will never understand what a Buddha talked about, or Jesus talked about, or whomever you look up to. You won't understand what they were saying. Because those were only words. They were saying words to you. They were giving you parables. And I'm saying to you, here is how. I'm not saying Jesus said it. I'm not saying Buddha said it. I'm saying I say. You may say, is he comparing himself to Jesus? No. Is he comparing himself to Buddha? No. I am what they promised you could be. All of us. Said if you do this, everything's going to be cool. I say, okay, well, I'm going to do that. Oh, everything is cool. Wow. Thanks, bro. You have an idea in your mind about what these people were. What these people were. Those of you who are Christians, when they said to Yahshua, are you son of God? I am. Then they said, are you son of man? I am. So are you. Sons and daughters of God and sons and daughters of men. Sons and daughters of the unspeakable, because there are no words to speak of it. And sons and daughters of that which can be spoken of, because it is represented in a physical manner. It is your right to rise to that level, or to expand to that level. That's your right. Everybody's so afraid to be blasphemous. Well, leadership steps out there. It steps out there and it goes and it finds out. Some people want to jump out of airplanes. Some people want to climb mountains and jump off mountains. I wanted to jump into the cosmos and find out the truth. I wanted to jump into the greatest void of them all. I wanted to know what solves the problem. I really wanted to know, because I was in unbelievable pain, emotional pain. I laughed the other day when I went for my surgery, and he stuck the needle in my eye, and I laughed. And I laughed because he was going, now, it's like, put the damn needle in there, will you? This is just pain, just physical pain. Just physical pain. I've been used to pain all my life. Physical and emotional. So I took the leap to find out what the answer was. And the answer is in the balance between spirit and form. Balance. It's okay. Get this thing off my eye, because it's starting to grow a penis. That's going to look weird. Hello there. Just do the deed. Pain is a part of what you live with. Idea is to understand it and to go beyond it. I'm not saying you're going to live or die because of your knowledge. But whatever you do, you will live in peace and you will die in peace. You will be in peace. You will be in knowledge and understanding. See, to understand and to know frees you to be. Frees you to be. And I keep laughing. They keep saying you're going to die, and I keep saying, okay. I keep struggling along. Okay, all right. Here I am, okay. Well, they keep saying you're going to die, and I'm saying eventually, yes, but not today. I got a lecture on Sunday. Besides, it's football season. Guys, you can laugh, genuinely laugh, and genuinely cry. Just genuinely feel, because what you feel is what you are. You are the universe, and all that is in it is felt. You go and get it, or you don't. It's all on you. I'm not going to tell you what I'm saying to you is the only way. What I am going to tell you is no matter what you practice, in that moment, when it comes to the awakening of who you are, this is what you will come to. Exactly what I'm telling you. This is what you will come to. I'm not going to tell you that this is the only way, but it is. I'm not talking about all the frills, all the isms, all the anities. I'm not talking about all that. I'm talking about the bottom line. I suggest to you, and no matter whether you be Christian, Jew, Muslim, whatever all the things are, ancestor worship, whatever all those things are, atheists, I don't care, it doesn't matter. Listen to what is being said, follow it. Don't mix it, because once you start mixing it, you've diluted the truth and you're in your head. But that's up to you. You want it clean? Make it as hard as you want or as simple as you want. It's on you. Thank you for your time. Peace out.